easy go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanical Human, and we are back with another fresh unboxing video of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, and hope you will like the video, and if you do so, hit the like button and let's begin. So guys, here is the Max Pro M2, only Max Pro M2 with the Zenfone written there, and a Max Pro M2 with the big 2 in between them. And on the sides there are the branding logos and all, Zenfone Max Pro, Zenfone Max Pro M2, and the SS branding. And on the other side, on the bottom, there is the some information written there with like the MRP. I don't even see clearly or not, but it is of something around 17,999 of the 4 GB variant and the 64 GB in the storage. And let's go inside it. Here it is written that we love photo. Oh yeah, Asus's main motto is the camera, I think. Okay, let's begin. And there is the SIM ejector tool with Asus written there, and the next inside it some few paperworks, and after that of course some IMEI codes and a casing. Asus is given a casing with them, silicone casing. Yes, it protects the mobile from different scratches and dents, and it is also very tough. And let's go into the right straight into the mobile. Okay, here is the Zenfone Max Pro M2 with Snapdragon 660 and a 5000 mAh of battery, and also the Gorilla Glass 6. It has the Gorilla Glass 6, and it is the Zenfone Max Pro M2. And now let's jump straight away to the phone. Let's open the cover, and it has a rear camera of 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel depth sensing camera. And you can see on the front of the Gorilla Glass 6 how shiny it is on the front with a full HD display, and on the back side too it is too shiny. On the back side it has got a glossy look at the back side too, with though it is not glass but it is polycarbonate, but then also it has got a too glossy shine and design. And on the camera lens also it has got Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and to be safe from scratches. And on the front camera is of 13 megapixel with a front flash, and with a 19:9 ratio screen. It has a big screen to be displayed, and with this screen it has Gorilla Glass 6, which it is the first phone that is affordable in Gorilla Glass 6 in this range of budget. Okay, let's move on to the downside, and it's the bottom of the packet. And here we got is the charger and the charging cable. Okay, the charger is a 5-volt output and 1 ampere, which is not at all a fast charging charger. And it comes with a micro USB cable which supports in every single devices nowadays. Okay, so let's take a deep zoom into this charger. I don't think you can see it, but it's about 5-volt and 1 ampere charger. It is not a fast charger, and a micro USB cable. And although and there's nothing much in this. And so this is the single piece of the Zenfone Max Pro M2 with glossy at backside and front too, and with the screen ratio of 19:9 with a notch in it. And let's go inside the phone, just unlock it. And I've already set the phone and used it once, so I could tell you everything nicely. It is based on stock Android and with some inbuilt LED. And let's check the camera now. And so let's check the camera. For the camera, it is quite nice, but I'm a little bit upset with the zoom quality of this phone. Though SSF main highlighted the camera in this phone, but I'm a little bit upset with the zoom quality in it. Okay, leaving all aside, let's get into the main thing, that is the system of this phone. And so this phone is based on 8.1 Oreo, and this is based on Android Oreo 8.1. So and it will sooner get the updates of Pi S8 by the Asus. So it is based on kernel version this. And so let's head back. And so guys, this was the review for the glossy awesome Asus new Zenfone Max Pro M2 with main highlighted camera and yeah, fingerprint sensor is left. So let's check the fingerprint sensor once. Yeah, it's quite fast. Okay, it's quite fast. Okay, let's just put my finger on that. Yeah, it's open. Just again that. Yeah, it's open. So and again that. So okay, it's quite fast, and so it is, but not as fast as compared to the Note 6 Pro or Note 7, but also it has got some more features and more qualities than the Note 6 and Note 7. Not more than the Note 7 also, but more than some the Note 6. So if you like the video, put the thumbs up and share the video and comment down below if you have any queries, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and till our next video comes, so stay tuned, and till then, bye bye.